Welcome to this quick look at the wallboards for Swyx Visual Groups. Although wallboards are a common requirement today for any business, I think it's worth noting some obvious, but in many cases overlooked points. The purpose of the wallboard is to improve the efficiency in call handling. Obvious, really. But it's vital the information displayed is not only accurate, but instantly understood and extremely easy to read. Working with our partners, we have developed what I believe is the ideal solution. Our wallboards do not rely on specialist displays or hardware. They can be viewed in a web browser anywhere, which means they can be projected on large screens on the wall or even a tablet while walking around. A traffic light system of red, amber and green tiles instantly highlight any issues before they impact on your business. So let's take a look at some examples. So here you can see one of the standard wallboards. This is the wallboard for our sales department. And at present I have 2 agents logged in, but this tile is showing as red, and that's because the system manager set this wallboard so if there were less than 3 agents logged in at any moment in time, the tile would turn red. It would be in an amber condition if there were less than 5, and if there were more than 5 agents logged in, this would be green and you'd know everything was fine. There are no calls waiting, there are no users busy, and again all of these tiles change colour. Pretty obvious. I'm not going to read what everyone is. See, the average waiting time is 20 seconds at the moment. So we had 2 calls in today. Our service level is at 100%. Of course it is, because all calls were answered within 20 seconds. Moving along, here is an overview of agents, and as I can see, we have 3 groups being monitored on this wallboard. That is MI5, Swyx UK and Tech Support, and I can see that I have 2 agents logged into each of those groups. Both Daniel and Roger are logged in to each of those groups. As more agents log in, you will see their photos appear on the screen, and if they log out, these photos disappear. A great overview for call center managers and department heads to see who's actually logged in and who's actually working. If I go to a summary view, I can see a list of all of my groups, and I can see the service levels, etc., how many calls have been answered. And I can instantly see here, for example, that the tech support department, they've missed 3 calls so far already today. So better take a look at them. Here's a light version of the wallboard. Again, we have the traffic lights here, and we can see our service level is at 100%, and I've got 2 agents available. And finally, there is another department. This is the support department where we have 3 missed calls at the moment. So I need to drill down and find out what's happening. And obviously, the call center supervisor can see from their screen who's doing what, and we can run reports and see how efficient each of the agents are. And the advantage of putting all of these wallboards into a browser means with a simple tab rotator, we can move between the wallboards automatically. And you'll see it'll step. I've got this set for a very short step time of 3 seconds, I believe. And imagine this on a great big screen at the back of your office. So that's it. Swyx Wallboards for visual groups. They meet the requirement. They display information concisely and very easily to understand. If you want to know more about visual groups and get a full demonstration of the product, as usual, please contact your local authorized partner. There'll be more videos shortly. Until then, as usual, thank you for watching and goodbye.